come read with me, come read with me, it's Emily. Today we are reading. I never read this either. These are all new to me. Some of these are very new to me. Pete the Cat's Groovy Bake Sale. It is groovy. And this is by James Dean. Alright, I'm looking for it. Okay, go get your book, Did you get it? What do you mean you can't find it? Is it where you put it? Alright, don't worry about it. Come on. Alright, you ready? Pete the Cat. Pete the Cat is excited about his school bake sale. Pete wants to bake a treat. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. What should Pete bake? Pete loves sweets. I gotta say, do we kind of look alike? Pete loves cookies. Pete loves pies. Pete loves brownies, cakes, marshmallow treats, and ice cream sundaes. I'll make cookies, Pete thinks. Pete takes out eggs, flour, sugar, and of course, chocolate chips. He puts everything in a bowl. He stirs and stirs. Pete makes a big mess. I did not see that coming. Oh my goodness gracious. What? Did you see that coming? I didn't. He rolls the dough into balls and his mom helps put them in the oven. That is correct. Do not touch the oven. Do not touch the oven. They wait for the cookies. They smell so yummy. Then things smell less yummy. Some of the cookies are burned. I thought they were watching those cookies. They're looking at. Let's see, they're looking at. Pete has to start over. What else can he make? He tries to make ice cream sundaes, but they turn into ice cream soup. What makes stuff burn and melt? That's where I'm at with all this right now, because, let me see, let's find out. He tries to make a pudding pie, but runs out of crust. This is like my life story. The kitchen is a big mess. He has no treats for the bake sale. What is happening? Okay. You'll find something yummy to bring to the bake sale, says Pete's mom. Mother knows best. Okay. He has some berries, vanilla pudding, and a few cookie pieces. All right. I've got it, Pete says. I'll use a little bit of all of it. So he adds whipped cream and berries to the pudding and stirs. It's called making do with what you got. I like this guy. I like him a lot. You guys like him? I like him a lot. All right, let's get back to this. Then he adds some cookie pieces to the mix. Carefully, he scoops some onto a tray. All right. I would also like to point out here that that is not hot at this time, or else he could not touch it. Okay, let's see what happens. Pete puts the tray in the fridge? The next morning is a tray of tasty, groovy berry goodness. All right. All right. Okay. All right. His mom helps him scoop his treats into little cups, and he brings them to school. He puts his berry cups on the bake sale table. What is that? Asked Callie. Groovy berry goodness, says Pete. His friends give it a try. His dessert is a hit. Soon all the treats are gone? I just feel like we just made those. Look at this. Look at them. Look at them. But Pete saves one. He gives it to his mom. Thanks for your help. Right on, Pete. You know what, Pete? You really are groovy. All right. That is Pete the Cat's Groovy Bake Sale. Emily, please like and subscribe.